anything too drastic. So off the machine she comes. And then if we flip it over, you can see we've got this really, really nice looking neckline there. That is just wonderful. And then the sleeve comes down. And we've got, it's about a 2-inch, 5-centimeter sleeve roughly. And as I said, the sizing on this is really generous. So if I hold this up to me, that neckline is still a little high. I may not actually put the knitted neckline on this because I don't like things very tight around my neck. But this is the extra small, so if I had done the neckline for a different size, this might actually fit me better. But you can see these sides actually wrap around to my back. So this is going to be still very loose on me because I'm not super busty. I've got 4 inches of ease on this, and that's more than enough for me. So yeah, on to the back. And I will tell you how to deal with that because, as I said, I'm going to rehang my shoulders here, but I'm going to have to deal with the neckline as well. So there's a little something extra we're going to have to do there. Okay, so here we are, all set and ready to work on the back. Now, I said in the previous video that to get the back started was going to take some slightly different technique. And the reason why is because my plan has been from the very beginning to hang the shoulders from the front and then work the short rows off of that. So based on the pattern, and I'm actually very pleased that this lines up the exact same way, 31 is going to be that first stitch that we have in play. And that's kind of the top edge of the neckline, the beginning of the shoulder going out. So based on that, we know that from 30 to 30, either side of 0, that's our neckline. So we need to do waste yarn ravel cord there before we hang our shoulders. That way we have a foundation to do the short rows into the neckline. And it's a back neckline, so it's not quite as deep as that front neckline. So we'll have to pay very close attention to where our join is on this. So I'm going to pull those 60 needles forward, and I'm going to do the cast on the same way that I did before with that automatic cast on with ravel cord.